Hi everyone, welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. Hope you are doing great. Today we are going to make pepper chicken masala. If you like spicy, you will love this recipe. Before that, please subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen for interesting recipes. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients required. 2 big onion finely chopped, 1 tomato cubed, 3 pods of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, and about half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Last but not least, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Okay, now we are going to roast our spices. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. Roast until it turns aromatic. Repeat this step with the other 2 spices as well. Remember, do not roast them too much, then it will turn bitter. Try to roast them separately also. Okay, now we have roasted our spices. Let it cool for a while, then we can blend it in our blender. Okay, now it has cooled. We are going to grind it now. Let's add this to the blender and let's grind it. Now I'm going to add the garlic and a piece of ginger. And then I'm going to add 1 dry chili. It's totally optional. I like it more spicy, so I'm adding it. So now I'm going to grind this also together. In a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil. And then add about half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of urad dal and half bay leaf. Let's wait for it to splutter. And then we can add about 6 pieces of curry leaves. We can add 2 big onion which we finely chopped. Saute the onion until it becomes translucent. Now our onions are nicely cooked. We can add the tomatoes now. Mix it well and add salt to your preference. Cover and cook the tomatoes until the tomato turn mushy. Now our tomatoes also cooked well. We can add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. I prefer to add the coriander leaves early for extra flavoring. We can add 250 grams of chicken which I marinated in a turmeric powder. If you did not marinate, you can add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder here. And I'm going to cover and cook this for about 15 minutes in a low flame. Our chicken is almost cooked now. I'm going to add salt now. And I'm going to continue simmering for about 7 minutes. Our chicken is well cooked now. I'm going to add the paste which we grounded earlier. We can add a bit of water to the blender. Add the water to the mixture here and mix it well. Cover and simmer until the gravy thickens to masala type. Yeah, now it's well cooked. You can see the gravy is thickened. You can fry until your desired consistency. This is a perfect consistency for a pepper chicken. Now I'm going to serve this with the hot rice. Our pepper chicken masala is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Thanks for watching. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen. I see you guys in my next recipe. Bye.